Yo, first order of the day is a Starbucks going across the river. This one is $11, going like 6.5 miles. I've never been here this early, so I don't know if the lobby is open. Should I check it? I think it might be open, but let me check the drive-thru first.
Hi, good morning. Thank you to Starbucks to be set up and food and breakfast for today. Morning for charity?
Yes.
Have a great day.
Thank you, you too. This is a Taco Bell, $8 going 4 miles. Assuming this lobby is also closed, so let's find the drive-thru. Here we are.
Hi, are you check?
Hi, how are you? Can I help you?
Here's your drink. And this is your order, okay?
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Okay, two things I really hate driving around on this side of the river. One, I hate driving on the rails because even though sometimes you can, it always feels like I shouldn't be in that lane at all. And two, sometimes you turn onto a street that randomly has the option to go back onto the highway, and you have to decide within seconds whether that's what you want to do or not. Got the next order as I was crossing back into my zone. This is Don Pedro, $8 going 7 miles. This one's most likely not gonna be worth it unless there's a hidden tip at the end of it. Oh, what is that, bro? We got 3 paragraphs. I forgot to get this sauce. Please get me extras. All caps. Do not forget my extra sauce. Okay. You're getting nothing. No tip, huh? Yeah, who would have thunk it? This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $6 going 2 miles, 2.5 miles. 2 items.
What's that?
Brother, what is up with these authors today? Got 2 more paragraphs that I'm just not even gonna read. If you don't like the drop off, you don't like it. Next up is a shop and deliver for Walgreens. This is $9 going 3 miles, 3 items. Do you know if you would have any more of these in the back? You only had 1 of them.
We probably don't, do we?
What?
Cranberry?
In the back.
Just regular cranberry?
Yeah.
Yeah, check.
Okay. And then also needed a, what is this? Absolute vodka.
Oh, looks like he's got one.
Oh, perfect.
My child just flooded my freaking toilet upstairs.
Got the next order right away. This is a Chick-fil-A, $10 going 7.5 miles.
Making a delivery?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Nice.
Do you know if the elevator needs a code?
If I wasn't here, how were you going to get in?
Oh, is it for Chris?
Got the next order as I was walking out of there. This is a Starbucks, $6 going about 1 mile. Hello. Yeah, Elizabeth. Thank you. Hello. I had a drop off. It said to leave at the reception. Next order up is a shop and deliver for New Seasons Market. This is $9 going 4 miles, 3 items. There you are.
Perfect. Thank you. You have a great day.
You as well, thank you. Thought that was for me. They were right behind me as I was turning into this place. Anyways, got the next order right away. This is a shop and deliver for Target. $9 going 4 miles, 3 items. Next order up is another shop and deliver for Walgreens. This one is $10 going 5 miles, 2 items. So I've been sitting around for about 20 minutes now and still haven't gotten the next order. Hoping something comes in before it starts raining, but it's about a 50-50 right now. Okay, it's actually starting to rain now, so I'm gonna start heading home. And if I don't get an order, I'm okay with it, because I'm not trying to get soaked. Current time is 9:36. Total is 90 or 91. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.